Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will explain you the following 5 commands that will help you to more easily master the use of Linux throughout the terminal. Each command has its own additional parameters to extend its functionality, but in this tutorial we won't go into that too much in detail. Consider it to be a basic introduction to the basic Ubuntu commands. Today we will learn the following commands: how to update the system, how to upgrade the system, how to install the new package and delete the package, and how to delete the software completely, including the configuration files. And as a bonus, I will also explain what autoremove and autoclean command are for. First of all, open the terminal. You can do this in two ways. Find the terminal icon in the main menu, then click on it, or just do that by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T. And the first thing we need to do is to use the terminal without restrictions and to log in as a super user. As a super user, you can execute commands with administrative privileges, just like run as administrator in Windows operating system. Type sudo su. Now enter. You will be prompted for your password. And after you have entered a correct password, you can currently manage your computer as a super user. The first command I will show you is apt-get update and apt-update. But first of all, the question: what is apt and what is apt-get, and what is the difference between these two commands? apt-get is the one of the most important Ubuntu commands that every beginner must know. It is used to install, update, upgrade, and remove any package. apt-get basically works on a database of available packages. And another function, but the same, with minimal difference, is apt. The apt command is a little better and newer replacement for the apt-get command. apt is more structured and provides you with necessary options needed to manage packages. So with apt, you will get all necessary tools in one place. You won't be lost under hundreds of commands options. The main aim of apt is to provide an efficient way of handling packages. It enables a few options by default that is actually very helpful for the end users. For example, you will get to see the progress bar while installing or removing a program with apt. apt also prompts you with the number of packages that can be upgraded when you update the repository database. And while it's recommended to you use the apt, it's not a requirement. apt-get will also work just fine. The apt command, conversely, it's specially designed for use by the end user. It is friendlier, tidier, and fancier. apt has also a few commands of its own as well. apt-list, that is command your list packages with criteria, installed, upgradable, etc. And apt-edit sources for edit source list. Now first command, apt-get update. You have to run these commands with super user privileges, and that is the first command you need to run in any Linux system after a fresh install, and you can also use it every time you want to check if there is any new update available. In a nutshell, apt-get update doesn't actually install new versions of software. Instead, it updates the package list for upgrades, the packages that need upgrading, as well as new packages that have just came to the repositories. And now the next command, apt-get upgrade. Now enter, and you can see apt-get upgrade command actually installs newer versions of the package you have. After updating the list, the package manager knows about available update for the software you have installed. This is why you first want to use command apt-update or apt-get update. Now epsilon, enter. Also, if you like to upgrade a particular package, you should know the next command. For example, apt and now package name. For example, suffix agent or at a similar. And now next command, apt-get other apt, same. Apt install file is newer version. And now if you know the name of the package, then you can easily install a program using this command. Just type apt install and then package name. For these purposes, I will install Zappix agent. Zappix is one open source monitoring solution. Now enter. And you can see progress bar now. If you're not sure about the package name, you can type a few letters and press tab, and it will suggest all the packages available with those letters. Thanks for auto completion feature. Now Zappix agent is installed on our host. cd enter, and you can see Zappix folder is here. And now if you want to uninstall certain package and program, what you can do? You can do it on two ways. apt-get remove. What that command makes. When it comes to removing the installed program, apt-get remove command suits your needs. You only have to know the exact package name of the software you want to uninstall. If you don't know the package name, you can use command apt-list and then you can find your package. On next command is apt-get purge. apt-get purge command is used when you want to remove a software completely from your system with its configuration or data files. And that is difference between apt-get purge and apt-get remove. So when you use apt-get purge, no longer personality settings will be available during reinstallation. Now run apt-get purge, Zappix agent. You can see want to remove. Now epsilon yes, enter. And now check cd. No such file or directory. And we are done with uninstall our Stapix agent. And the next command I will show you is apt-get, or also you can type just apt-autoremove. apt-autoremove command is used to remove any unnecessary packages. Unnecessary means whenever you install an application, the system will also install the software that this application depends on. It is common in Ubuntu that applications share the same libraries. When you remove the application, the dependency will stay on your system. So run apt-get autoremove as a super user after uninstalling a package. Remove unwanted software dependencies. And the next command is apt-autoclean. Now enter, and it's done. The apt-autoclean option, unlike apt-get clean, clears the local repository of retrieved package files, but it only removes files that can no longer be downloaded and are virtually useless. It helps to keep your chat from growing too large. And now I will show you a few commands apt list. For list all your packages, you can see all is here. Same command. You can also display some of your packages. Control L to clear your terminal windows. And question, what did we learn today? What is apt and apt-get, and what is the difference between them? We have learned also what are the commands apt, update, upgrade, install, remove, purge, and also we have learned bonus commands apt-autoremove and autoclean, apt-list and dpkg list. Thank you for your watching.